guys, it's Allison. Today I thought I would do a bake with me, or a baking with Allison. It's super cliche, but I mean, it works, I guess. So today I'm going to be baking or making this cookie brownie bars mix. It's a box one, but it's fine. But I'm going to do it for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited for this video. You guys are basically going to bake with me. I find baking as of lately just like super relaxing, and in the summer I think it's just fun to just be in the kitchen. It's Saturday afternoon and I thought, why not do a little bake with me and make something fun. So since I see you guys as like one of my friends, I thought, why not do a little like baking with me video, because you guys are like my friends and I think it would be just fun to do a little baking video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is gonna be a super chill video, so don't expect like fancy professional shots. I just want to make this as casual as I can, so I'm just gonna be filming on my tripod, but hopefully that's okay with you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys are excited for this video and we can just jump into it. So in this bowl I'm going to mix, mix the brownie mix. This is like, it come literally two mixes, so I'm doing the brownie mix in this bowl, and then this in an insanely large bowl, but this is for the cookie mix. So first off, I'm going to do the brownie mix. So you need obviously the brownie mix, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of water. I obviously don't have water in there yet, and then a 1/4 cup of butter, of melted butter. So I'm gonna put all the ingredients inside and do a little time lapse. Now that I did the brownie batter, I actually have to spread it over this 8x8 pan. So I have parchment paper already lined up, the batter right there, and we're just gonna spread the brownie batter at the bottom of the pan, or all over the pan. Now that I spread the brownie mix on the pan, now I'm gonna mix the cookie dough and do that whole mix. So I have the mix right here, and then I'm going to put the cookie dough mix in another mixing bowl, and I'm going to show you guys again basically what I did with the brownie mix, just all the ingredients and then just putting them together and mixing them. So let's go. this is the complete look. It's going to melt, so it looks weird, but it'll be good. So now I have to preheat the oven, which I haven't done, just because I've been focused on making this batter, and I also have to get rid of all of the things in here. So I'm gonna quickly do that, preheat the oven, and I'll be right back with you guys. Now that my cookie brownie mix is still in the oven, I set it for 45 minutes just because it's between 43 and 44, so I was like 45 sounds about right. So while it's cooking or baking, actually, I'm going to start importing some of these clips that you guys have watched up to this point and start just importing them in my computer or my laptop and start just editing them. So while I'm waiting, I'm just gonna chill for the next like 45 minutes. So I just thought I'd update you guys, and I also finished doing the dishes, so we're good to go. So this is what the cookie and brownie mix turned out to be and what they look like. I should have used an electric mixer because they kind of look crumbly, but it's fine. It's fine. So it did take about like 45 minutes to 50 minutes just to bake in the oven, but it was pretty easy. So now I'm going to slice them up and do a little taste test. Okay guys, now it's time to do a little taste test for you guys. I'm honestly not going to I don't know, I'm just gonna use my hands, whatever, it's fine. So I'm usually like the corner pieces because I find like the edges of them just like super crunchy and delicious. So I'm gonna go in for a corner piece. I'm gonna get like well, maybe not the corner, but like the side pieces. So I'm gonna just grab some. I think it's falling apart, but it's fine. I'll just take a little bit. Take this much, and I'm gonna take a bite. I love the end pieces. Tastes definitely like a brownie. So good, creamy, delicious, perfect combination, if I must say so myself. It's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, had a fun time doing a baking video with you guys. It's definitely something new, but I'll definitely do them in the future if you guys want them. I had such a fun time. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I had fun filming it for you guys. Definitely follow me on my social media, definitely subscribe, and also I just hope you just have an awesome day, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!